Bold payment options, cash, card, or PayPal. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you all of the way that you can pay in the Bolt, including cash, card, and even PayPal if you're not sure how to pay for your Bolt ride. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First up, cash. Cash is available in some of the cities or including some parts of Africa, Europe, and Asia. So these options is available in this region. So during your ride or before you confirm your ride, you have to select cash as your payment option. But some cities may not allow cash due to legal regulation. So make sure if you have the cash option or not. So you have to select cash before you confirm your ride. The second option is to go for digital, that is your credit or your debit card under the wallet tab. If you want to add your credit or debit card, all you have to do is head over to menu at the top left corner and then head over to payment. Under your payment, you will have an option to add a payment or add a payment method. Currently, I have selected it as a cash, but if the option is available to add another payment method that can be your credit or debit card, tap on it. Provide your card information and your card will be automatically charged after the ride ends on the Bolt. So that's the way to pay through the card. If you want to go for the PayPal, it might be supported in some countries only but not everywhere. If you do not see the PayPal option, that means it is not available in your region yet. So if that's available, you can simply pay through the PayPal. If not, that may not be supported in your region. So these are some of the ways that will help you pay your payment in the Bolt ride, whether you use cash, card, or the PayPal options. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.